Hello Alifa, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I am also fine. So are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Okay, beautiful. So what's your full name?
My full name is Alifa Akhtar.
Okay, and today I am going to ask some question and you will answer all the question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, my first question is, what's your school name?
My school's name is BGB Primary Schools.
Do you love your school?
Yes, I love my school.
Okay, Alifa, do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
Thank you. Okay, okay, Alifa, do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Okay, Alifa, what types of books do you like to read?
I like to read story books.
Beautiful. So, what's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Okay, so who is your favorite writer?
My favorite writer is Kazi Nazrul Islam.
Okay, thank you very much and have a great applause and big hand for you.
Tata.
Tata, bye bye.